What's up, guys? Try to make this as quick as possible. Starting with my least favorite photo. This was the first one I did. I probably could have, well, I should have moved the letters down a little bit more, maybe down to this corner here, um, and put them a little bit closer together. Um, this is my roommate's eye. I had to edit it a little bit in Lightroom to bring out the actual colors in the eye. And to make it was a really light photo because we had to put a light in his face so I could capture all this detail of his eye. Um, and so I had to kind of darken it a little bit so the black and white popped a little bit more. Um, I do like the way his eye turned out. I think that looks really awesome. I wish it was just a little bit more in focus. The next photo, this was taken at my work. Um, Crown is one of my favorite drinks, but this is just Coke because I was unable to pour due to being at work, and then I'm also not TABC certified, and nobody was ordering, so that would just be a waste, and I'd get in trouble. But the where we keep our drinks at, it's like in this cabinet, um, and it has like this green light. It looks really nice from far away. It kind of really gets to like a nice mood. But for this photo, you can definitely see that green hue. I couldn't really figure out how to get rid of that, so I don't really like that. The slogan is drink. Um, I could have brightened the drop shadow a little bit, or darkened it a little bit, I should say, to bring that out. But I like it, and I could have also moved it a little bit over the cup as well. The next one is my coworker Steph. I told her that I would take a picture of her when she wasn't looking, and she was okay with that. So I snapped a couple of her, and I think this is the best one that came out. I had to use um, the selection tool, the square one, and then I had to go in with the quick selection tool and kind of get it up between her legs and kind of around her hair and some parts of her arm that weren't picked up by the selection tool. Um, the only thing I wasn't able to save was her ankle. So she has a black and white ankle, as well as for whatever reason, this fire alarm stayed red. Um, but yeah, I like the way it came out. I like the slogan is work because she is working woman. Um, and same thing with the drop shadow. I could have probably darkened it a little bit more to bring it out, but I think it's subtle and I like it. Um, and the last one, this is my favorite. This is me. Quick little selfie I took with my camera. Um, it was very easy to edit. Basically, the quick selection tool did most of the work um, and made it super easy for me to just come fine tune some of the points that weren't picked up on like on the hoodie um, and around my fingers. Um, the slogan is express because express yourself, be who you are, be who you want to be. For the past couple years, I've been like giving myself the worst anxiety because I've been trying to live up to everybody else's expectations. Kind of got lost along the way of finding myself. So, photo means a lot to me. Um, I also used a texture overlay, and because on the P it looked really cool, but when I applied it to all the other ones, you can definitely tell it's a tree. But I also like it because it kind of gives that earthy, earthy feel to it. I chose pink on this to kind of contrast against this blue. So, yep, those are my pictures. I hope you all enjoy, and I look forward to seeing y'all's. Thanks.